Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. And if this is not, good to have you back. So my name is Faith. I'm a medical doctor. And today we're going to be talking about Joe Biden. If you were here for my previous video, you knew we talked about why people were speculating that he may or may not have dementia. Now, today we're going to be talking about why people are speculating that he may or may not have Parkinson's. And in this video, we're going to talk about 5 early signs of Parkinson's disease to look out for. Parkinson's is a chronic progressive neurodegenerative disease that is caused by the loss of dopamine releasing cells from parts of your brain. The part in particular is called the substantia nigra. Now, that's jargon, by the way. Let's talk about some of the early signs of Parkinson's disease that we can look out for and why people were speculating that Joe Biden may or may not have Parkinson's disease. Number one is tremors. That's one of the telltale signs of Parkinson's disease when it's more pronounced in your hands and in your legs, and especially when someone is at rest. Now, it's difficult to find any video of Joe Biden at rest where he's not doing something to say for sure his hands are tremulous or his feet are tremulous or he's not like still at rest. But it's a sign to look out for. Number 2 is what we call bradykinesia. In layman's terms, is basically slower movements. Now, we have seen videos of Joe Biden when he's walking about, how he's very slow in his movement and he's not as swift as before. And of course, we could put it down to the aging process because aging comes with a lot of baggage. But it is also something that people have used to fuel the speculation that he may have Parkinson's. Number 3 is changes in your speech. Now, things like speaking softly, slurring, or hesitating before you're talking. When this is occurring more frequently, this can point to the start of Parkinson as well. And we can see in this video here of Joe Biden. Let's have a look.
Every single solitary person eligible for what I've been able to do with the with the COVID, with dealing with everything we have to do with. Look, if we finally beat Medicare.
Thank you, President Biden.
We can see that he's hesitating in his speech. His speech is a bit slurred. He's not very much coherent as he used to be, and speaks quite slowly as well, which is unusual for him when you compare it to the previous presidential debate or the previous presidential campaign videos. Compared to now, it's quite different as well. These are some of the signs people have harped on as well. Number 4 is muscle rigidity. So this is stiffness in your limbs, in your arms, in your legs, in your neck, and even how you move. Everything is stiffer than usual. And we have seen videos like this that has also fueled that speculation that he may have Parkinson's. And whilst that may not be the case, whilst we don't know for certain, this is a typical sign of Parkinsonism. Finally, number 5 is facial masking. And the expressions in your face are reduced and it gives this mask-like appearance. Now, if you see here, expressions are a bit stiff. His expressions are not very present, and a lot of the time his expressions don't match what he's saying. So that's some of the examples that people have focused on that have fueled that rumor that he may have Parkinson's. Now, if you ask me, Parkinson's is not diagnosed quickly. You observe these patients over time and you see these signs. It's a lot of the time it's their loved ones and people in their personal space that are able to pinpoint these changes in these individuals. I personally don't think he has Parkinson's, but I'm not his doctor. Nothing has been released. But these are some of the early signs to look out for, and I hope it has been quite useful. So those are some of the early signs of Parkinson's. Obviously, there are more signs. If you want more videos like this, do well to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and we'll be talking about the next trending health topic in our next videos. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.